we're catching cicadas.
You start putting them in here?
They're slimy.
They're slimy?
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, so we're catching these and we're going to feed them to our chickens. They're all calmed down now. Hey, look. You just got to look, the grass is moving. You see them all coming up from the grass right here?
Yeah.
There's one right there.
There's another one. Ouch. Can they bite?
No. No, he probably just had, they got like little claws. They'll probably just scratch you with their claws. So they got like little claws.
Yep, right there.
Yeah. You gonna find some more? What are we gonna do with these?
Feed them to the chicken.
Feed them to the chickens. Oh, there's one right here. See him in the yard? Coming up right there.
Oh, we stepped on one.
I heard that. Did you think I did?
Yeah.
You think they're all gonna hatch out?
There's some more here. There's some. Daddy, grab these ones. These ones are here. Grab them.
Oh, those are just the shells.
But they grab these ones.
Yeah.
That one.
There's one. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the chickens are gonna love us.
Oh, I think I stepped on one.
You probably did. That's all right.
Come here. Come here, Dad. I just stepped on one actually.
Oh, you did. Oh,
Is that you or me?
no, it's probably you.
Oh.
There's a lot of them.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see if we can find some other ones. Already coming up there,
Oh yeah.
Bacoca.
Well, they think I have eggs. I don't have any eggs today. You want some grapes?
Well, she didn't like that.
I know. They do have taste.
Just throw them down there on the ground.
Okay. Oh, some of them are alive.
Yeah, they are. Well, that's the way you want to eat them. This is what we do our cicadas.
Well, how'd you catch them?
Graydon caught them. Like what? That's still moving.
Those are always the first ones to get anything. Those dark brown ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one here, they're the bravest.
Curious to see what they're gonna do. I don't know. We've never had something that was alive before. What do we do with it? Oh, that one's going off with it.
The bumblebee was still wiggling.
Well, they're liking that. He's eating. He's gobbling that one down. He'll be coming back for more.
Yeah. As soon
Yeah. As soon as they find out what it is, oh, he's going off with another one. She's like, oh yeah, I like this. We're gonna start playing keep away. She's gobbling it down. She knows what they are now. She's like, oh, I like that.
the same one come back.
Yeah.
Like 3 times already.
This is the 4th time.
She's making sure she gets as many as she can before the others discover how good
She's
they
like, yeah, exactly. Well, that one just went off with one.
Yeah.
The white one.
That's funny. They always go back to that one corner to eat
They-
stuff.
They won't. They like to eat out your hand.
No, they seem to be doing pretty good without eating out of your hand.
Well, watch. Nah.
Oh, there's a cicada getting away. See, this one, oh, she's just grabbing a whole bunch of them now.
So which ones have we determined are roosters?
These here.
Alright, so this one.
So this
That
one, yeah.
There's 3 of them.
Oh, that white one just stole one.
There's 2 right there.
I think there's the other one.
Yeah.
That one looks like he's the bigger one.
So Graydon and I were outside, and Ava got a couple too, but we're all outside catching all these that were popping up from the ground last night. The cicadas. I was curious to see how the chickens would like them or not. Looks like the ones that are actually trying to eat them are enjoying them.
It's weird, the different personalities. These have always been the first chicks to come and eat something.
Yeah.
New, they will always be the ones that try
The
it
eagle,
out.
the eagle ones. Is that what you call them?
No, those aren't eagle. Those are. They have the golden neck.
Yeah.
They're called the Summers.
Well, summer.
It's a cross between a Buffington and a Rhode Island Red, I believe.
Yeah. Well, they're enjoying them. Oh, other ones are starting to come now. So the one with the comb, you think are the ones the roosters?
Yeah.
You don't think that's just their breed
No.
to have a?
No. You look at all the hens' combs, and
So
They
what
go-
are you giving them?
what?
What are you
Grapes.
giving them? That one just flew up there to you.
They like grapes. Maybe. You can make me out of a liar. The roosters, they have a. See how these combs go down?
Yeah.
The roosters go up.
Oh,
And their
yeah.
tail feathers are different too.
Mm-hmm.
They're good chickens.
You
They're
think
my
they are?
buddies. Yeah, I sit and talk to them all the time. They're happy.
Yeah, they're cleaning those up pretty good.
Some of them will go, well, I don't know.
Bacoca's
I didn't
got
get
one.
any."
Bacoca's like, oh yeah, I like it. I like it. They're trying to eat it. I can't even keep up with her.
A lot of times they just like playing catchers. Keep away
Yeah.
is more what it's called, I guess.
Well, she's trying to eat it. Yo, she ate it. Bacoca is the one that Trista really likes. And so
Yeah, she's a sweetie.
she's grown to be like. We cleaned out the rest of those. Well, we got one left over there. Now they're just starting to eat the leaves, I guess, that we had in there. Good deal. Well, I guess we'll go get some more cicadas and bring them over.